Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be doing a look using the Moda Brushes Totally Electric Full Face Train Case Kit. This is an 11-piece brush set, and it comes with this awesome iridescent train case as well, which is definitely travel friendly, and you can keep all your Moda brushes inside or your beauty essentials. This is the perfect kit for someone who's just starting out or someone who just wants a full brush set that looks super cool. So let's jump into it. All right, so like every other Moda brush set, these are cruelty-free and vegan. And this particular set comes with waterproof silk touch handles and can be used on wet or dry product. You're getting a detail brush, a glam topper, which I love to use this for like loose glitter. It's great for packing that on. You're getting a brow, like an angled brow brush slash groomer. You're getting a precise liner, a powder, an angle blush, an angle shader, a smudger, a crease, and a small shader brush. And here is the train case, which is so cool. Look at that color shift. Ah, that is gorgeous. So I plan on doing a little bit of traveling in 2023, so this will definitely come in handy. That is so adorable, you guys, and looks like it is super big too, so it can hold a palette in there, your brushes, everything you need. All right, so I am starting with the brow groomer, and I'm just using a little bit of the Anastasia Beverly Hills brow wax and just kind of brushing that throughout my brow hairs. Gonna do my brows first. And then I'm just going to use the angled part of that brush and do my brows. So I already did my foundation and concealer, and now I'm just setting my face with the round powder brush. I'm gonna take the angle brush next and just do my bronzer or contour and blush. All right, and now I'm just using the smaller brushes in that kit to do my eyes. Okay, so I'm just using a flat brush from another Moda brush set, and then I'm gonna go in with that angled shadow brush and just kind of buff out some more greens on this lower lash line area. And this is the final makeup look using the Totally Electric 11-piece full face train case kit by Moda Brushes. If you guys liked this brush set, you're definitely going to want to check out modabrush.com. They have something for everyone. And if you do decide to pick something up, I do have a discount code with them that I will link in the description box below. I do make a little bit of money from that code, but you would be helping me out as well as helping yourself out by saving some money and getting a brand new awesome brush set at the same time. I just want to say a big thank you to Moda Brushes for sending me this new awesome brush kit, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye you guys.